Gentlemen, a very good afternoon. This is your first officer speaking. My name is Raphael. We're like to welcome you aboard the Jet Flight Asia Flight 3K558 to Singapore. And this is a very special flight for me because my parents are on board. And this is the first time in my life that they'll be on a flight that I'll be flying. I don't know if they know it yet, but hi Pa, hi Mom. Surprise! I love you.
So I changed flight with whoever was flying with it, and I just planned to give a surprise by making an announcement in front of the cabin. Yeah, so I made the announcement, and I was expecting her to like, yeah, but I didn't see anything, so I was making an announcement and I saw like, hey, nothing's happening. I just saw my dad waving. I realized that my dear mother was in the toilet.
I heard his voice. I said, that's my son's voice. I used to tell him, reach for the sky. Because I feel very great and very proud of my son.
Oh.
It's a very proud moment for me, and I thank all of you for being part of it.